Mountain Valley traffic, Bonanza departing runway 27 left, Mountain Valley. Airspeed, no wind.
Valley traffic, tow number 1 is entering a right downwind, runway 9 right, Mountain Valley. Number 1 is right base to final, 9 right, Mountain Valley.
Tehachapi traffic, Bonanza's going to overfly the field north to south. Tehachapi. Airplanes? Lots of windmills. Go a little higher.
Mojave Air and Spaceport Automated weather observation 1840 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 9. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 8 Celsius. Point 17 Celsius. Altimeter 3006 inches of mercury. Remarks. Density altitude 5000.
Mojave Air and Spaceport.
Automated weather observation 1841 Zulu. Wind calm. Visibility 9. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 28 Celsius. Dew point 17 Celsius. Altimeter 3006 inches of mercury. Remarks. Density altitude 5000.
Mojave Air and Spaceport.
Automated weather observation.
Mojave Tower, Bonanza 572 Tango Mike is 7 miles to the west, inbound for landing.
November 572 Tango Mike, Mojave Tower, roger. And reconfirm your position about 10 miles south?
Negative, 6 miles to the west, 572 Tango Mike.
2 Tango Mike, roger. Make straight in, approach runway 8, wind calm.
Straight approach for 8, 572 Tango Mike. Yeah, see runway 8? That's pretty easy. Oh, don't forget to put the gear down. Jeez. Which stinks. Definitely is terrain around here. Parked airliners. A lot of them here.
November 2 Tango Mike, runway 8, wind calm, clear to land.
Clear to land on 8, 572 Tango Mike. Oh, it's Virgin. That Virgin Orbit there parked. Alright, gears down, fullest tank, mixture prop. Good. Runway 8. Below. Runway is made.
November 2 Tango Mike, where are you parking?
So I'm going to go for self-serve in the restaurant. I think they're next to each other. 2 Tango Mike.
Yeah, that's affirmative. Turn right on Alpha, then a right turn on Charlie, this frequency.
Right on Alpha, right on Charlie, this frequency. 2 Tango Mike.
You been here before?
Only by land, never by air. 2 Tango Mike.
Okay.
Oh, Stargazer. That launches another launch vehicle. Oh, what's it called? Oh, right now. National Test Pilot School. Fuel first or food first?
I vote food, but
November 2 Tango Mike, ahead and to your left to see a fuel truck on the ramp. You'll park on the other side, the west side of the fuel truck.
Park west side of the fuel truck. Thank you. 2 Tango Mike. Virgin Orbit. Have I seen that in the news? This is a real highlight for me to fly my own plane into Mojave. I'm sort of pretty special, actually. I vote food first. Yeah, there's the self-serve there. Oh, not very busy today. Hope the restaurant's open. Is it open? Well, he would have told me, I guess. Open. Spot? I'm not sure I'm in a spot. Oh, look at L39. Wow.